Drift Mansion. Dude, I'm pumped. Get to try this new track layouts and stuff and additions. It'll be a great day. It's gonna be a great day. Why you get all them cones? Almost lost the title. Damn fuel slosh again. It has the power to do it, but fuel slosh again. I guess I'll just fill it up and maybe it'll be okay. Oh! Fuck yes! Yes! Oh my goodness! I've been waiting for that all day. Oh. Oh, I love this place. It's awesome. Having fun?
Doing Chris. Oh yeah, dude. I was like, what? Who are you talking to?
My bad.
I'm having a blast, buddy. This is the best experience ever.
Best track? Or
Probably. Honestly. Like, Mid-Pond's fun because you just have that one fast sweeper and you get a fuck off a lot there.
Yeah.
Not that, yeah, no, this shit. The elevation here is incredible. Does it no justice. And the banking is fucking cool as hell.
Oh yeah. It's very different than anything we're used
And you
to.
gotta, like, commit. It's fucking intimidating at times and your adrenaline be pumping.
Yeah.
That shit's fucking crazy.
Yeah.
A lot of areas where you need to commit.
Yeah.
Full commit.
Literally.
Like, don't let off.
No. Maybe add
hot,
some clutch kicks.
Commit.
Like, that's one
Not
thing.
enough people committing. That's why they shut down the back.
Yep.
Yeah.
I do wish I, like, just had could initiate a fucking better entry on the bank coming this way. Like,
I'm excited for that first layout.
Which honestly, maybe I should put those up front.
This layout's fun, but it's like it's too bumpy in certain spots that kind of fuck you up.
Oh my god, yeah. Especially like depending on line you take, like
if you go midline on this this bank, it kind of car does weird shit.
yeah. Oh yeah.
Comes unsubtle. I think so. But really like this track. I like all the expansion that they did. Definitely want to come back again, and definitely want to bring the S14 because it's been down way too long. The blocks should be back soon, and then I'm gotta start getting that thing ready. But I'm ready to drive more. What do you think?
What?
This place?
Best place on earth.
Best place on earth?
Yep.
Better than Nippon?
Oh yeah.
Okay. Car's doing good though?
Car's doing well for its first shoot here.
Man, that's good. That's good. You having fun?
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
a blast.
Oh, yeah.
The track is nice. Car is running good.
Yeah.
Besides the one little mishap.
No, you did good. You did good.
Solid weekend.
Yeah. I'll try and put that clip in here. I think I got it. I don't know. It's this camera like on my head, so I don't know if it got it, but oh yeah.
Put it in there. Show the bad stuff with the good stuff.
Yeah, of course. okay. It happens. It happens to everybody. It's alright.
Where you have to line the car. Right here. Lower arm. Lower arm snap. Camber arm.
That's not the bucket. That's the
That's a camber arm.
Yeah.
Camber arm.
Yeah.
The front one, yeah.
Looks like this arm bent a little bit.
It's the one right below the axle.
It bent both of them?
No.
Here it is right here.
Yep.
Oh, damn.
Can y'all stop doing that?
Trying to work and be ready. Trying to work, vape, and be ready.
You vape on fucking track.
I mean,
Look, you just
I
figure right
drive
here.
on track. Yeah, just do it like
I can't fucking.
Why are you yelling?
Because he has a helmet on.
Here.
Well, we can hear you.
I want to hear.
and then
It's okay.
It's okay, Mark.
It's
You
okay.
can't hear yourself doesn't mean we can't hear you.
That boy hollering.
I'm not yelling. You're just yelling right now.
I still think I'm on the track.
Oh.
You have a 17 wrench in here, Marcus?
So it keeps getting fuel slosh. Whenever I go on a right, big right turn, and I've literally only used 1/8 of a tank. Like my gas gauge is at full, is such an annoying thing to deal with. I'm gonna price up a surge tank. I think that's just gonna have to happen. This is getting annoying. But we'll see. Thanks for tuning in. See you next time. It's hot.
Damn, I had this fucking GoPro on. Motherfucker.
It might have died. What'd you do?
Hit the barrier.
Hit the barrier?
Where at? On the bank.
I did
Same
too.
place Aaron
I did right before you.
Knocked off 3 of them.
I hit it right before you did. I just tapped it.
Or no?
He was in the middle of the
I was
corner.
Towards
You're in the middle. Jeez.
It's just slippery. It's all nothing but rubber. Like you get
Yeah,
high on the bank,
if you get out
it's
too
rubber.
far, yeah. I felt it as soon as I got out there. My car just like came out, and I like got in it even more. I'm like, let me try to pull out of here, and there's like do. I'm like, ooh.
That's what he said. He said as soon as he started going up towards the bank and just turned the wheel, the car just went whoop.
Yeah.
It's slippery as fuck up there. It's slick.
Me and Ross just had some pretty decent runs.
Hell yeah, we did too.